All right, all right. I'm going to unbox the new Nintendo. Wow, God. I'm so excited that I might rip it off. Well, oh, hefty, heavy, heavy. Let's see what is in this beauty. And whatever. I'm just gonna lose my head in this unboxing. So I hopefully not going to rip it off. Whoa! Already. The other way. Right, this is the right way. And those guys just fell off. Yeah, well, here we go. 2 Joy-Cons. Very nice, very nice. And feel of it is just like, my God. Oh my God. Camera button, home button. Let me just put this aside, and the left-hand side Joy-Con. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, I like the feel of it. That's good. Nice. Now let's see what we have here. And lovely. There we go. Nintendo Switch 2. Oh, look at that. Blue. Yeah, should I say orange or what? Well, excuse my English. And the jack. Oh my God. And then, does it have any juice in it? Let me see. Yay. Oh, wow. I'm already... Oh, yes, it's asking me to put these guys on. Yup. Ooh. Snap. Oh my God, this is big. Holy moly. Ooh, yes. Yes, this is Australia. Down under. All right, I'm going to just stop it here, and then maybe before I drop this beautiful piece of art. Yeah, just the unboxing of this part. I'm gonna sew. Yeah, let me put this aside. I'll come. Oh my God, this is big compared to. Let me go and bring my switch. First switch. Here we are. Now, compared to that guy, look. Well, I love my old Switch. Yeah, there we go. These guys are side by side. Ooh, my. Let's see what else is in that box. I must have a duck. And what is in there, I will get back to it. Maybe some booklets or something. But yes, here we go. We get this guy, whatever you call it. We get the charging USB charging cord. And the adapter in here, which is cool. Nintendo. And the main part, which is the docking. Hey. Oh, it's already so cool. Look at the bottom. Yes, and then how do you open the back of it before I break it? Okay. I hope they have made it child-proof like me. Yeah, this is it. And that I didn't break it, I promise. I did not break it. It's just like that. Yep. The guy goes in there. Oh, does it? Please go in. Oh, I'm an idiot. Of course it won't go in. There we go. Oh, here is Nintendo Switch 2 in its all of its glory. Okay, yeah, as promised. I mean, we have all seen the videos, and it's amazing. I'm very excited to get this beauty going. I haven't bought any games for it yet, but yeah, I have purchased the Mario Kart World. It should be coming soon. I forgot to buy it earlier when it was on sale on 20th, so it could be shipped alongside with the Switch. But yeah, so, and I'm going to buy Legend of Zelda Tears of Kingdom. All right, that's enough for now. I'm going to stop the video and enjoy my game.